fucking staring at his bloody emergency braking. Turn round, I have to fucking emergency brake. What a fucking divvy I am. Ah, well done, Northern Energy. Fucking hellfire. The fuck is going on? What the fuck are you lot fucking doing? Blimey, another bloody smash. Fucking hellfire. That is a dangerous fucking junction, I'll tell you. People drive silly around that. Maybe it's people with their indicators left on after they've come off the roundabout. So people think they're turning. Or maybe it's just fucking people ain't looking. I don't know what happened to the other car. It's the second time I've seen something happen there where there's only one car appears to be involved.